Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make wrap text up and down in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and increase the font size. Then applying the bold effect. Now I am select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Choose the text fill, shape fill, no fill, and choose the shape outline, no outline. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Select the text effect, choose transform. Now we want to make the text wrap up and down. Select this wrapped option. Now we can see we make the text wrap up. You want to make the wrap down. At first copy the text box, press and hold the control, then copy this, then select again and select the text effect and choose transform, then select the wrap down. Then we can see we make the text wrap up and down in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.